Ever felt like saving for retirement is a mountain you just can't climb? You hear about 401(k), S, and IRAs, and it all sounds complicated, like something only high rollers get to worry about. But what if I told you there's an app that lets you build your retirement fund automatically, starting with just your spare change? That's where Acorns later comes in. Acorns is a micro-investing platform famous for its roundups feature, taking the change from your everyday purchases and investing it. But many don't realize they also offer Acorns later, which is their retirement account. Think of it as an easy, automated way to start an individual retirement account, or IRA. Now, why use Acorns for retirement? First, simplicity. When you sign up for Acorns later, the app asks you a few simple questions about your age and your financial situation. Based on your answers, they recommend one of the three main types of IRAs: a traditional, a Roth, or a SEP IRA. You don't have to be an expert to choose. Acorns automates the heavy lifting. Second, automation. This is the key. You can set up recurring contributions, like $5 a day or $50 a week, to consistently feed your retirement fund. But the real magic is those roundups. Every time you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns automatically rounds it up to $4 and invests that 50 cents into your retirement account. It's painless, passive savings that you barely notice. Third, professional management. Acorns takes your contributions and invests them into one of their expert-built, diversified portfolios of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These portfolios range from conservative to aggressive. Even better, they automatically rebalance your portfolio over time, typically becoming more conservative as you get closer to retirement age. This means your investments are being managed for long-term growth without you having to lift a finger. Finally, let's touch on cost and benefits. Acorns operates on a flat monthly subscription fee, typically ranging from a few dollars a month, depending on the tier you choose. Make sure you check their current pricing on their website. While flat fees can be high for very small balances, one benefit of their higher tier plans is the possibility of an IRA match on new contributions in your first year, essentially free money to boost your retirement savings. And remember, IRAs offer potential tax advantages, helping your money grow even faster. So, if the world of retirement investing has felt too intimidating, Acorns later offers a straightforward, set-it-and-forget-it way to get started. It turns spare change into a serious strategy for your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.